Exception. Exception is a type of error which is happen at runtime. When you are writing a program, there may be three type of error will come. One is your syntax error, logical error, another is runtime error. Syntax error means when the keywords are misspelled, punctuation is omitted, then it is called as the syntax error. Then we can say logical error. Logical error means your program is correct, it is compiled successfully, but it is not giving you the desired output. Runtime error is what? Your program is compiled, but at the time of execution, it shows an error. So that is called as the runtime error. So in a program, you found there is three type of error will there. Syntax, that is caused by the developer, like when you are not writing the code properly, at that timing the syntax error will come. Logical error, like you are writing a code for checking whether the two number is greater or not. So in that cases, if you pass the two equal number, then if you are not passing any kind of logic to check whether the two numbers are equal or not, it is not giving you output. माने मु दीटा नंबर नेली मु बाहर करबी जे को नंबर टा ग्रेटर मु कंडीशन ए पास कली if a greater than b then a is greater or b is greater. किंतु ए जो सिंटैक्स मु पास कली मते दुईटा अलगा अलगा नंबर नबा को पड़िबो. गोटे होची नंबर जोटा कि छोटो होइतिबो आ गोटे बड़ होइतिबो. ताले जाय कि कहबो ना मु मते करेक्ट आउटपुट देखेबो जे ए दीटा नंबर भितर कोटा बड़. But here in the condition I have only passed if a greater than b, then a is a greater, or else b is a smaller. But in that scenario, if I pass the two equal number, it shows an error. An exception is an event which occurred during the execution of a program. Like you are moving in a highway and your bike got punctured. Now the weather is very sunny. Now suddenly in the 10 minutes, your weather has changed and it is heavily raining. And you are not having the umbrella and raincoat with you. So that is an exception. You move through a bike or you move through a vehicle, your vehicle get punctured. Means you are not expecting that thing is happen with you, but it is happened. So that is called as the exception. When a Python script raises an exception, it must either handle the exception immediately, otherwise it terminate or quit. For handling the exception, it doesn't mean like when the exception is arises, you cannot handle it. So you have the capacity to handle it. Like when there is a rain, you are taking an umbrella, you are taking a raincoat with you. That means to avoid that situation, we have the precaution for it. Similar way, when you are writing the numbers of code, you found if there is any suspicious code is present, you put that code into the try block. And for handling the exception, except keyword is used. So that is called as the exception. Now, in Python, how you have to handle the exception? For handling the exception, we're using try and except statement. In other programming, like in the Java, we are using try and exception, try, then one block is present exception. That is handled through a catch block. The try and catch block is used in the other programming language. In Python, we are using here try and except statement. Bujela, Vishal, Ankita, Jayashree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now now see that the try block is used to guard your program where maybe there is a chance of exception. Then except statement is used to handle the exception. Next, else block we're using. If there is no exception in your program, then the else block is execute. The else block is execute if there is no exception in your program. So now check that. Here are few important points about the above mentioned syntax. A single try statement can have multiple except statement. So when you guard your program, there may be more than exception will come in your program. You can also provide a generic exception. If you do not want to pass the multiple exception statement, you have to pass a generic exception. Generic exception means which is handle all the type of exception. So after the except, you can include else clause. The code in the else block execute if the code in the try block doesn't raise an exception. The else block is a good place for a code that doesn't need the try block for protection. Okay. So else block is a block. If there is no exception is arises, then it will execute. So now I show you the program. ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍। Okay, এটা দেখা print 10 by 0. So when we divide a number with 0, it shows an exception. Then if it is having a error, it's showing you then else block is execute. If your exception arises, it is execute. If your exception not arises, then also it is execute. So it is just like what? If your exception is not present, okay, the statement is raising an exception. If I pass the value 10 by 2, then see that. If there is no exception in a program, then it shows the output and else block is execute. Bujhala, Ankita, Jayashree, Adhyasa, Chandan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So declaring multiple exception. So try, then we have to write a code. So if you are expecting that the more than one exception will come in your program, then in except statement, we pass the exception 1, exception 2, exception 3 up to exception n. The multiple exception you can define if you are expecting more than one exception will come. Like see that in this example, try a is equals to 10 by 0. We have passed. Then here I define the two exception. One is arithmetic error and standard error. So I am expecting that there is more than one exception will come, so that you have to pass as a comma separation. Lastly, we pass the else block. If your exception is not arises, then your else block is execute. Okay, it is the way of passing multiple exception. See there. When I pass 10 by 2, so it is printing the what 5.0 and welcome. Then when I divide the number with 0, so now check, it shows the exception. It is a 0 division error, division by 0. Okay. Again. The finally block is a block. It is execute irrespective of your exception. The finally block is a block which is execute if your exception is arises, it is execute. If your exception is not arises, then also it is execute. So now if you check here, try 10 by 0, it is showing you exception occurred. And now finally block we define. Finally block is the last statement in any exception handling. Basically it is used in a sector like where there is a chance of exception, it is execute. If exception is not present, then also it is execute. Okay, exception asile finally block execute hobo, exception no asile bhi finally block execute hobo. In both of the cases it is execute. valid character. Hello. Class go. Ready college में. हाँ आसुनो. कौन बोला? नहीं नहीं मुझे अच्छी मु कॉल कर चुरो 2 मिनट छाड़ी. आसुनो सेंटर को पड़े. सेंटर को पड़े. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. कॉल. Okay, so see that now. देखो एटा एक्सेप्शन आसला 10/0 एक्सेप्शन occurred. Ten by 2. Okay, exception occurred, code to be executed. If I divide a number, then it shows an exception. Okay, so finally block is executed. If a exception is arises, then also finally block is executed. Okay. Okay, so next class रे आरो other programming देखेंगे. कल ही.
Thank you, sir.